Right, now we'll look at another example of a potential divider. Okay, this one is a slightly different because it has two series of resistors. Okay, it has two series of resistors. You try to understand this because this kind of connection is popular, even though it's when you move to A2. Okay, so identify that this is two series of resistors. Hold on, okay, I have labeled here series 1 and series 2. Each of them has three 5 ohm resistors. Okay, at the top here they are having 2 volt at both the points because it's connected to the positive terminal of the battery, and at the bottom we assume that it's 0 volt because the EMF of the battery is 0, so the total must be 2 volt. Alright, so question is asking what is the PD between X and Y. So X is on the series 1, a point on the series 1 after the first resistor. Y is the point after 2 resistor. So each of them has a different value of the potential. Then we are supposed to find the difference. So first of all, let's look at potential at point X. So potential at point X, let's name it Vx. So it's this point actually. Okay, difference between the 5 ohm will tell you what value is Vx, because it will drop for a particular amount from 2 volt to Vx. So how much it has dropped, of course we can use the potential divider rule. So PD across the 1/5 ohm, this is PD across 1/5 ohm is 5 ohm divided by total in that series is 15. So you multiply by 2 volt, then you should get the PD across 1/5 ohm resistor. Okay, so that is like 2/3 volt. So from 2 volt it dropped by 2/3 volt, from 2 volt. So we're looking for Ex. That's dropping from 2 volt by an amount of 2/3. Then you will get the PD, the potential at that point. Okay, so it's 4/3 volt. Alright, so then we continue to talk about this series. It will drop for another 2/3. So 2/3 volt, drop another 2/3 volt, and it will drop for 3 times for 2/3 volt because all are 5 ohm resistors. So if you sum this potential difference up, it will give you 2 volt. Okay, so then it makes sense because from 2 volt at the top here, it dropped 3 times to become 0, and that's exactly the EMF of that. So do you get that idea? If yes, then the same thing can be applied to find the potential at point Y, because point Y, it has also the drop for the same 5 ohm. So but that's 2 times. Okay, so 2 times of 2/3 volt. So then you should expect that it should be 2 minus 2 times of 2/3. Okay, 2 minus 2 times of 2/3. So if you do some calculation, that is like 6 minus 4/3, then you should get 2/3 volt for potential at Y. So then if you want to find the difference, of course is Vx minus Vy. Then you get 4/3 minus 2/3, so you get 2/3. Okay, so this case is simple because they have all the same resistors. So there might be cases where you get different amount of resistor and different resistance of each resistor. Okay, so let's move on to next question. So this question, it will be group work. Okay, it's on a potentiometer. So please find your new group member on the Word file. I will give you the link in the Google Classroom assignment. Alright.